Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open your document and check its drive details to see current size. You need that baseline. Make a copy immediately so you can experiment safely. Next, scan for the usual culprits, high-resolution images, embedded PDFs, and a long revision history, and mark them for action. Once done, prioritize images first because they usually consume most bytes. Make sure to remove unnecessary attachments, and note where heavy formatting or long tables appear so you can address them next. Start by exporting any large images, compressing them to about 72 to 150 dpi, and re-uploading optimized versions. This cuts size dramatically without visible loss for screen viewing. If possible, host images externally and insert by URL. That keeps the doc lean. Next, clean up formatting. Use Format Clear formatting and apply consistent paragraph styles so hidden style tags are removed. Also replace embedded objects or PDFs with links. Once that middle cleanup is complete, the document will already be noticeable. To finish, make a fresh copy to strip revision history and reduce size, then check details again to confirm the drop. If you must export, choose a compact format like PDF or compressed. Docx and avoid keeping large originals. If the file remains heavy, split long documents into sections or remove all comments and hidden elements. One troubleshooting tip: if space still spikes, search for invisible objects or large tables and paste them into a new clean document. That usually isolates and fixes stubborn bloat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.